The software development and deployment processes have been transformed over the years, from a simple software running on one single central server to complex systems running on multiple servers in the cloud. Provisioning and managing complex server architecture across different environments can be a challenge. In most cases, this is the major cause of product releases and iterations. In a traditional IT setup, we would manually provision servers, install all the dependencies, and then launch our required software on those physical or virtual servers. This approach has its flaws. Say, if a disaster strikes and our infrastructure gets corrupted or fails, to spin new servers, we have to go through the same painful process all over again. Frustrating, isn't it? But by introducing infrastructure as code, these things become manageable. Do you ever wonder how you can orchestrate and manage your configuration and deployment pipelines in an easy and efficient manner? How do you ensure all the servers or nodes in your growing cluster have the consistent dependencies and libraries deployed on them? How do you version control your infrastructure code? And when you have to deploy a fleet of additional servers, how do you deploy them quickly, efficiently, and without any errors? Ansible is an open source automation platform that is used for configuration management, application deployment, task automation, and so on. It can also do IT orchestration to run tasks in sequence and create a chain of events which must happen on several different servers or devices within your cluster. In simple terms, Ansible enables us to define our infrastructure as code in a simple, declarative manner. Ansible brings us an easy way to configure our orchestration engine without the overhead of a client or central server setup. That's right, no central server. It comes preloaded with a wide range of modules that can make our lives simpler. Ansible is an open source tool developed using the Python language, and it runs on Windows, Mac, and Unix-like systems. In this course, you will get intimately familiar with Ansible. We will kick things off with the installation and configuration of Ansible, but then dive deep into various features provided by Ansible. You will learn how to write your very first Ansible playbook. You will learn how to use Ansible command line, how to debug playbooks, and how to develop a playbook on your own. If you are serious about automating your deployment and infrastructure, then using the Ansible toolset along with the vast number of its plugins or modules is the only way to go. And when any startup or technology company is looking to implement these DevOps practices to automate their deployment infrastructure, they are willing to pay big money for DevOps engineers and consultants to help them manage their DevOps infrastructure. In fact, the hourly rates for DevOps engineers are easily a few $100s an hour, and the demand for these skills is just exploding. Won't you want to acquire these skills and be a part of this DevOps revolution? Be highly sought after and take your career to the next level. That's why today we are thrilled to be able to share with you our new training program, Automate Your Infrastructure Using Ansible. My name is Manoj Agarwal, founder and lead instructor at tetratutorials.com. We have been in the software industry for over 2 decades. We have been part of many prestigious projects and startups. Over the course of these years, we have gained a good insight into what makes for flexible, scalable, and robust software solutions. We are passionate about sharing all our collective knowledge with you. In this course, Automate Your Infrastructure Using Ansible, you will get an in-depth look at the comprehensive and essential toolset called Ansible. In this course, we will dive deep into many of the features and tools available within the Ansible ecosystem. You will learn how you can deploy, configure, and manage DevOps pipelines to build and deploy and configure your infrastructure automatically and consistently. Are you ready to get started? In that case, we are guessing you'll want to know what your investment is going to be. Well, here you will find real actionable information and education in exchange for your time, willingness to learn, and a fraction of the cost you will be able to demand as a DevOps engineer or consultant. We can guarantee that you will get your investment back manyfold in no time. So if you're ready to make a change and learn how to manage your DevOps infrastructure proactively and efficiently, just click the Add to Cart button you will see below this video. And of course, when you purchase your copy of Automate Your Infrastructure Using Ansible, you won't risk a cent. The course comes with our unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. If you find that the course does not meet your needs, all you have to do is just send us a message and we will refund your money immediately. No questions asked, no hoops to jump through, and no hard feelings. Look, if you're serious about becoming an expert DevOps engineer and generating a real income for you and your family, you need to take action and get in the game. Imagine getting that promotion in your current role which you have been promised for months or years. Imagine getting chased by recruiters looking for skilled and experienced engineers which companies are desperately seeking to hire. Imagine getting a massive bump in your income as a result of your newly acquired in-demand skill. That's what we want for you, and we know it's what you want for yourself. So grab your copy of Automate Your Infrastructure Using Ansible now, and let's get you started today. Click the Add to Cart button below this video right now, and we will see you on the other side.